Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with some geometry, particularly around triangles. Right, let's get straight into it. So they've said to us in triangle ABC, which is given here, AB is equal to AC, so AB is equal to AC, which they've indicated for us on the triangle. And they've said to us that angle C is equal to X. So we're going to say that angle C is equal to X degrees. Determine the size of angle A in terms of X. So that means we're not going to get a full size of A, but we are going to find A in terms of X. Now there are a couple of things we need to know before this. Right, so if we look at this triangle, we notice something about it. We notice that AB and AC are equal to each other, and that means that this triangle is an isosceles triangle. Now that automatically tells us something about about the angles at the base of the triangle. So we know that angle C is equal to X. What would angle B then be equal to? Well, we know angle B is then going to equal X as well. How do we know that? How do we know that? Well, we've got a theorem that says angles opposite equal sides. So the base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal to each other. So that's going to be our first thing we write. We're going to say that angle B is equal to angle C, which equals X degrees. And the reason for that is angles opposite equal sides. Brilliant. Well done. Okay, so that's the first step. Now that we've got 2 out of the 3 angles, we need to calculate A. Now, we've got 3 angles in a triangle. What do we know about the 3 angles in a triangle? The 3 angles in a triangle, the sum of them equals 180 degrees. So that's going to be our next step. We're going to say that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. We also know that B and C are equal to X degrees each, so that's going to mean that A plus X degrees plus X degrees equals 180 degrees. And we're going to say that A plus 2X degrees is equal to 180 degrees. And now we need to get A by itself. So angle A is equal to 180 degrees minus 2x degrees. And that gives you the size of angle A in terms of x. So it doesn't necessarily give you what A is, but you can see it's some function of x. So it depends on what x is, will give you angle A. Now there's one thing we haven't done, and because we haven't done it, we're going to lose an easy mark. Notice when we write our mathematical statement, we need to say how that makes sense. And in this case, we've used the theorem that the sum of all the angles in a triangle equals 180 degrees. So we're going to say that interior angles of a triangle are equal to 180 degrees. And that will get us all of the marks for this specific question. Thank you so much for joining us. Very special thank you to our sponsors for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Remember to head over to our website to check out more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, remember you can send us the question and we will respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.